So this gimbal comes with face detection. So if I go left, it'll follow me. If I go right, it follows me. If I go up, it should follow me. If I go down, it follows me. Game changer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Alex. Yeah, you know what to do. Got the new t-shirt. I'm going to be unboxing my new gimbal camera. So this is called the Fimi Palm. I think it's made by Xiaomi. Basically, I thought I'd get a new camera because I want to do a bit more vlogging type videos. And I want different angles as well, so I don't want to keep using my camera. I want to get a bit more different angles, walk around and things like that. Once the lockdown's over, I want to go to like car meets and things like that and start, taking better videos and just get better videos really. What I'm going to do is open this up and we'll see what we've got. This video is not a proper comprehensive video. I'll probably do like a recap video once I know how to use it properly. What I'm going to do is open it up, so what we've got. And then we'll probably just go through the settings and probably give you a quick demo. Cool thing about this one, it's got face tracker as well, so I can just leave it somewhere and then just move around and it'll follow my face, which is pretty cool. That's the reason why I got it. So what I'll do is let's get it opened. Right, so let's look at the back first. So basically it's similar to the OSMO Pocket, but it's got a lot more features and it's a lot more cheaper. I think it's around 180 quid if you convert it into from USD. I think it's 200 USD, so can't remember properly because it got gifted to me. So it's got a wide angle, 128 degrees, a lot more wider angle than the OSMO Pocket. It's got stabilization, you'll see that, I'll demo that. Got 4K video, face tracker, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which the OSMO Pocket doesn't have. It's got different coding, compresses the file a lot smaller, so it saves you a lot more memory. And story mode, wherever it is, and this is what you get in the package. You got your camera, you got your cover, you got a USB cable and user manual. So what I'll do is, and you've got a bit more information here about the capacity, so it's 1000 milliamp. So let's get it opened. So peel off here. Zoom out again, and it should open up like that. It pops out like this. It looks quite basic, the packaging. You can see there's nothing to it. It's all like cardboard and stuff like that. So I think that's where they're saving the money, not having a proper premium kind of case or anything like that. And that's it really. And it didn't have the user manual, so they lied to us. Why are you lying? Why are you always lying? So you got your cable, USB-C cable. So I just want to iterate that. I'm not sure if it's got fast charging capability. So I need to check that out. One of these packets. I don't even know what these are. Let me know what this is in the comments, because I always get this and never used it. I want to chuck it away. And then this is the device itself. So let's see, it's got the cover on it. Take that out. So this the cover, protects the lens, and that's what it looks like. So before I start it up, I'll give you a quick run through of what it's got. So it's got the charging port here. Sorry, I'm not product focusing. Charging port here, the USB-C, the memory card, and it's got little holes in there so you can attach your wrist cable thing, band. It's got a joystick, which is the OSMO Pocket doesn't have. The record button. And it's got a little screw thing in here, so if you decide to use a adapter, you can hold that instead of the gimbal itself. So yeah, let's peel this off. There you go. And let's power it on. It always doesn't get focused. So yeah, there you go. What I'll do is I'll just go through the settings and then I'll do a quick recording, show you what it looks like. Like I said, it's going to be a short video, keep it quite short, and then I'll do a recap video once I've mastered how to use it, because there's a lot of settings and half the time I probably won't even use anything. I'll probably just put in auto, but I want to start using all the play around with the aperture, ISO, learn all that stuff, and probably get better outcome. But yeah, you've got a little LED light here, tells you that it's powered on. Once you're charging it, I think it flickers as well. Okay, so let's look at the settings really quickly. So what you want to do is take it down. So you have your Wi-Fi, select that. Once you've downloaded the app, you can transfer your files over. Got lock mode here, I don't know what that does. Okay, locks the screen. How do you unlock it? Okay, that's how you unlock it. You got your display, so you can make it bigger and smaller, so it kind of like cuts it out. I'll show you. Let's go back. So full screen at the moment, and then you press that, and then it cuts the screen. So that's what you've got. Let's go back to full brightness levels, put up to the max, and that's that setting there. Let's go one down. So you've got your follow mode, and these are different kind of when you're playing around with it, moving around, it's got these different things that I need to learn how to use. So you got your, I think this is actually unlocks the whole kind of feature, unlocks the whole gimbal, so it's quite stable. You've got your phase lock, so it locks it in place, and then you've got your gimbal lock, and I think that's full lock, so you can move it around and it doesn't thingy. But I think to activate it, you basically have to go back, and then there you go. So you can see it's locked into place. Same with all the other settings. If you want to do that, you have to go through there, and it basically follows it, but it gives you a bit more cinematic look instead of going really quickly. You've got your different view options. So you've got your ultra wide, you've got your narrow kind of view, you've got your super scope, and yes, those are the different settings. I normally leave it on ultra wide because then you get a nice kind of background as well. But I need to play around with these. This kind of probably better for different scenarios where you don't want to capture everything. But let's leave it on ultra wide for now. Your camera settings, different format. I normally leave on JPEG. Metering mode, I'm not sure what that is. And you've got your different video output. So I think PAL is European kind of version, and then NTSC is what America use. HVC is the newer format. You've got the old video codecs. I think I'm going to leave on this one because it's newer and it compresses the memory, so you're not using up so much memory. And then else, you need to look into what this is. You got your system, and then you got your system settings. So your power off, your screen lock, got boot video, and you got your sound as well. So that's what it looks like. Let's go back, and then let's look at the settings on the screen. So here, I think you can change that to different kind of versions. Okay, you got camera mode. If you go to the left, you go panorama mode, time lapse, slow-mo, back to video. Okay, so once you press that on the top left, you can see your output. So I left it on 1080, 60, and you've got your different kind of thing is it doesn't go up to 4K 60, which hopefully they give an update and hopefully get that sorted, because it'd be nice to have 60 frames per second. And then you've got your picture quality. You've got fine and super fine, so I'll leave it at super fine. I think that's the higher quality. You've got your different color, natural, F-log. You've got your mic, you want to leave it on high, you want to leave it on low, mute, etc. So we'll just leave it on that. We've got other settings here. These are like your apertures and things like that. So I'll leave it as it is because I have no idea what they are. So if I press that, ISO, white, black balance, don't know what that is. I think it's aperture. One of them's aperture, but I'm not sure. Or is that the angle? Is that what it is? I don't know. It's pretty. If you press auto, it kind of goes back to default setting. So the best feature about this camera is this basically. It's basically a face tracker. So wherever I go, it's going to follow me. So what it helps me with is I don't need someone else helping me with taking any videos. Not that anyone else does because I use a tripod. But it's a good feature to have when you're recording by yourself. Basically, it's going to follow my face. So let's have a look. So as you can see, the camera's moving and it's following me. So it goes left, right, up, down, everything. So yeah, that's what you want these days on the camera. It's going to change the dimensions, it's going to change the game. So guys, that was a quick video on the Fimi Palm. If you have any questions, write them down below. Remember to like the video and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.